This SLS Engineering Conference is a 4-day program designed to strengthen our engineers' technical knowledge and also to encourage collaboration across the region. We carefully select the relevant topics such as bearing and conveyor chain failure analysis, belt conveyor components, designs and solution, electric motor inspection and testing, gear and pinions, also kiln components. All of these are the critical areas for our customers. I'm happy to see participants from different countries coming together, actively learning and sharing experience, and also growing as one SLS team.
Hi, I'm Simon from Renold. Technical knowledge of products and damage analysis is critical in industries today. It ensures the right chain is selected for the application, the chain is installed correctly, and we can solve the customer's current problems by identifying issues, offering custom solutions. This session benefits SLS engineers with the ability to quickly identify current chain problems on site and offer solutions and support to enhance chain life and performance.
Conveyors are the backbone of many industries, so understanding their components helps engineers ensure reliability and efficiency. Customers often face issues like misalignment, belt wear, and downtime from poor maintenance. I hope participants will take away practical skills to identify problems early and propose solutions that add value to customers' operations.
If engineers on site understand the basic mechanics and principles of how gears work, I think it will assist them in doing basic fault finding on site before a problem becomes too catastrophic and too late. They'll know what to look out for. They'll be able to spot misalignment issues. They'll be able to spot lubrication issues, and they can attend to it straight away. So by doing that, you will definitely aid in reaching the designed lifespan of a gear set and make sure that you achieve what it was designed to run for. So I think out of today's session, if anyone can spot any of the number of things that we've mentioned while they are in the field, it definitely paid for its time. And then I'll be very proud of myself for getting that message across. Thank you.
I found the presentation on the belt construction and rubber cover grade selection is very useful. Now I understand more about abrasion versus heat-resistant belts that better suit common industry in Malaysia like aluminium, cement, and fertilizer. I can now immediately apply this to advise my customers. For example, one of my customers in palm oil mill frequently replace their belt because of belt failure. But now I understand what they need is an oil-resistant belt which will prolong their belt life. My key takeaway is that optimizing a conveyor system is about looking at the entire system and not just one component only. It's an holistic approach that will fundamentally change how we conduct belt maintenance onwards.
The bearing damage analysis session was the most helpful for me. Learning how to classify the failure types using ISO standards gave me clearer, more professional way to find the root cause. This will help me troubleshoot faster and give customers more accurate advice. It also increased my confidence and improved the quality of our support. My key takeaway is the value of the sharing knowledge across the countries. When we learn together, we become stronger as one SLS team.
This conference is just the beginning. The real impact comes when our engineers bring this knowledge back to our customers and provide solutions for them. Together, we are building expertise, strengthening collaboration, and also creating value as one SLS.